In this video, I will tell you how to open an account for RealRush application and open an account for friends who want to make money online. How to download the application has been posted in the previous video. Let's continue to learn how to open an account. To open an account, you need to connect to VPN in the US region. Click here to connect US region. Click on United States and then select this country. Now you are connected to the United States region. Please wait a moment. The VPN has been connected. Let's move on to how to open a RealRush account. Enter the RealRush application. These are the ones that go past the setup when entering the application. Select Skip. Okay, now we have come to the application. Points have already started working. In the RealRush application, you can earn points and withdraw dollars. It works like TikTok Lite, so there's not much to say about how to do it. It is an application where you can earn money just by doing daily tasks regularly. If you enter Earn, you will see the tasks to be done daily. To create a RealRush account, click on User. To create an account, click the Login Account bar. To create an account, you can open it with a Gmail account or a Facebook account. Here, we will show you how to connect to your Gmail account. We will log in with Gmail, so click on Login with Google. Gmail on your phone will appear. If you choose the Gmail you want to use, the RealRush account opening will be successful. If you don't want to use the Gmail that appears, you can open a new Gmail account by selecting Add another account below. Here, I will only use the Gmail that I entered. Click on Gmail account. Please wait a moment. Okay, account created. 1,000 bonus points have also been gifted. Click Get to get bonus. Okay, now the account creation in RealRush application has been completed. From this account, you can earn daily money by playing daily tasks regularly. I hope this video will be helpful for friends who want to make money online. So the video will end here. See you again in more videos.